Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of SeveUp BIM Viewer. BIM technology has revolutionized the way we approach building design and project management, helping us to become more efficient and precise in the way we work. And BIM viewers are an essential component of that workflow, allowing us to harness this technology. But you need a high-performance BIM viewer to do your job effectively. But here at SeveUp, we want to do things a little bit differently because we believe in the no BIM concept, which means no only BIM. Meaning that we don't think that this wonderful technology should be kept in the hands of just a few BIM experts. According to recent studies, the AEC industry across many developed countries are struggling with the lack of BIM experts, making it harder for them to adopt BIM technology effectively. And that makes it harder to maximize their ROIs. To be honest, it makes it harder to do anything, and companies either have to build their own BIM teams to manage the data, or they end up outsourcing it because they simply don't have the resources to commit to that. But what if you could have smart, intuitive dashboards that could be easily accessible to anybody in your company? Our no BIM inclusive approach invites a spectrum of professionals, architects, engineers, builders, project managers, and clients to engage with BIM data irrespective of their technological prowess. By dissolving barriers and democratizing access, SeveUp's BIM Viewer fosters a seamless collaboration and fluid communication, enabling holistic understanding of projects and fostering the exchange of invaluable insights. This universal access to BIM data unlocks a myriad of opportunities for optimization, with every stakeholder empowered to make informed decisions based on a shared foundation of knowledge. The project cycle experiences enhances efficiency, reduces errors, and creates a more informed resource allocation. The consequent alignment of project objectives with stakeholder insights ensures that project deliverables are not only met but exceeded, significantly boosting the project's ROI. So let me introduce the SeveUp 3D BIM Viewer, a free tool packed with next-generation features to help you unleash the potential of your BIM data. It has filter-driven 3D visuals for you to effortlessly find the information that you need quickly. It's tailored to integrate seamlessly into existing workflows, transforming BIM data into standardized, user-friendly formats. There is no program to download and maintain, just a simple website with our built-in interface and Microsoft Power BI. All you need to do is provide your team with a website address in order for them to gain access to the BIM data in your project. This ease of manipulation and integration allows individuals across the spectrum of BIM knowledge to leverage BIM and extract critical insights without technological challenges, further amplifying the ROI. The SeveUp BIM Viewer is a software tool that brings your BIM data to life. You can add multiple BIM models to your projects, such as architectural, structural, or plumbing BIM models, and seamlessly integrate them in all the SeveUp 3D Viewer. You can not only explore but also analyze BIM models and all the data attached to them. It's like having a magnifying glass that lets you delve into the intricacies of 3D models created during the BIM process. And it's not just about looking. The SeveUp BIM Viewer lets you play around with these models, zoom in, zoom out, rotate them, navigate through different views, giving you the ability to scrutinize every aspect of a building project. This way, you gain a comprehensive understanding of its design, construction, and maintenance from various angles. Take, for example, if I want to analyze all the doors from level 2 of this project. Then I simply have to go under Class, select Door, and select Level 2 in the donut pie chart. Then click on Update, and you'll see all the selection metrics right here. They have changed to show the data that I need. There are 46 doors with 4 different types on level 2 of the building. Not only that, but all the doors from level 2 are now highlighted in green, so I can easily navigate through the 3D model and see every door on that floor. You can also get access to the tooltip information and select one of the individual doors. To do this, simply click on the selection button and move to the object that you would like to select. You can now left click on the door to only select that particular door if needed. To get back to the original view, just simply click on Show All button inside of the viewer and click on the sweeping brush button at the top here to reset the selection pane. But let me show you another example here. If your BIM model contains a system such as ventilation, then you can easily access all the details. First, make sure that you're on the System tab right here. Then select one of your systems and click on Update. Now you can see your system and all of the metrics for it. My system here is called Mechanical Supply Air 4, and it's composed with 28 assets from 3 different classes, 6 different objects. Now we click on the plus button inside the list and select only Flow Terminal and click on Update. Now this will just highlight the flow terminal, and it will also update all of the metrics at the top here. As you can see, all the information is in an easy to understand interface that goes far beyond just visual exploration. The SeveUp BIM Viewer comes equipped with tools for in-depth data analysis and retrieval. You can access specifications, performance data, and so much more in like 3 seconds. And all with very little BIM expertise needed, aiding your teams in making well-informed decisions and ensuring your project's accuracy and integrity. So in a nutshell, the SeveUp BIM Viewer is like your Swiss Army knife in managing and understanding your building projects. It offers a multitude of features and tools, allowing for a thorough exploration and analysis of your BIM data, ensuring every project's success. So that's it for today, guys. If that's what your appetite and you want to see more, then head over to the website and register for free with SeveUp to start bringing your BIM data to life. The link is in the description below. If you have any questions or thoughts about SeveUp BIM Viewer, drop them down into the comments and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!